मैम आ गई, मैम आ गई।
मैम आ गई यहाँ शायद। हेलो मैम, आर यू देयर?
ऑडियो कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ अभी मैम का।
मैम कहाँ? ऑडियो कनेक्ट नहीं हुआ है।
कहाँ है भाई? मैं वहाँ पे तो नहीं दिख रही।
अबे देखना पार्टिसिपेंट्स में। मैम का तो शायद नेटवर्क इशू हो गया। हाँ,
Hello, am I audible?
यस मैम।
यस
All right.
मैम।
I am so sorry. My battery, the battery finished.
वेलकम बैक मैम।
Thank you. Got to know battery chala gaya tha. So suddenly, you know, it switched off. Everything got switched off. I'm so sorry on that. I forgot. I don't know plug
नो मैम, इट्स ओके।
करना भूल गए थे. I think this is another homework we'll have to remember. You know, to put everything on charging.
चार्जिंग।
सुबह से शाम तक use करते हैं. So I think it's also a concern. So I'll also be alert on this. I'm sorry on that. I don't know what was I saying. I forgot it. Compliments, right? I think I was talking about the compliments. That he compliments Ariel. So that was the wonderful part of Prospero. You know, he appreciates whenever any good work is done. He may have been very angry with three men of sin, but he doesn't have this one bad quality which we at times have. We may be angry with one person, and if somebody else comes, हम उसके ऊपर भी गुस्सा कर जाते हैं. क्या है ना? And we at times pour our anger due to caused by one person on another person at times. But Prospero is very particular. You know, with Ariel, he knows I have no reason to get angry, so he isn't angry with him. Even earlier, if you remember, he was very angry with Caleb. Earlier means in Mask, he was very, very angry with. Just a second, I think Amandeep is waiting. He was very angry with Caliburn, Stefano, and all, but he never showed that anger on Ariel. So he is justified. He knows where and in what mood to talk, and he doesn't transfer his bad mood onto somebody else. So that's another quality that you can remember from him. And of course, very good at magical powers. That of course is there. My high charms work. So far he was in appreciating mood. These 4-5 lines were all about appreciation. He has appreciated the meaner ministers also. And dil khol ke tareef kara. You know, he doesn't stop short. He doesn't just say, oh, thank you. You know, he actually, you know, is large hearted. He is really big hearted. He appreciate gussa karte hain, so he, you know, goes full throttle. And when he is appreciating, he actually goes full throttle also. He doesn't only appreciate in one word, but he went on and on and on. So that's how he is, you know, very full of life person. Now his mood changes from here. My high charms work. He says, well, my charms are working. I am good at magic. है ना? This reminds me of, you know, one of the actors of the Gone by Times. You know, he would say, Mona darling, Robert, you know, is magic बहुत बढ़िया करते हैं. So something like that. That he is kind of appreciating himself also. He is kind of patting his own back, and he says, "Great Prospero, your charms, your magical power is working 100%." So this is like a self pat. है ना? Bhai, wow, Prospero, very good. And look at this line again. And these my enemies are all knit up in their distractions. He's giving us an update. And he says, all my enemies are all knit up. Now they are entangled. Now ये सब मेरी मुट्ठी में आ चुके हैं. Now they are under my control. They have gone mad. I have made them mad. You remember the line of Ariel when he said, I have made them mad? It wasn't Ariel making them mad. Basically, it was Prospero's magic making them mad. So he says, they are all lit up. So this is their condition. Short questions. Who's doing? Just chat me the name of the person. Okay, is it 5:35? A minute left, and I think I'll stop there. All right, Lubhav.
Ma'am, Divyanshu is doing today's questions.
He's there. Divyanshu, let me see your raised hand so that we can know. Yes, you know your duty. Is a just person. Yes, Dia rightly said. He is a just person. Yes, I'll be just leaving you for the class. Even I have a class with another class. Just another line. I'll just finish with this line. They are all knit up in their distractions. Distraction is that they have all lost their reasoning power. They have all gone mad. They are now in my power. Now, this is where the mood changes, and he's celebrating. Prospero is very proud here. You can smell a little bit of pride coming in here. All right. So he says, "Sab meri power mein hai." Who is the most powerful person so far in the whole play?
Prospero.
Prospero.
I think, right. I think all of us will agree in every way it is Prospero. So who is emerging as who is emerging as the real king? Who is more powerful than the king also? Who is the king? Who is the king here? Alonso.
On the island,
No,
Alonso is the king.
Alonso is the king, isn't he? And who is the Duke of Milan? Antonio. Right. इन दोनों को मिलाकर, let me go maths, इन दोनों की पावर को मिला लो. Alonso, king, plus a Duke Antonio. इन दोनों से भी ज्यादा powerful is Prospero. So that is what Prospero is proving, that you put me anywhere, but you cannot take away my kingly qualities. You cannot take away my powers from me. You can remove me from a throne, but I will remain a king wherever I go. Do you understand this line that I'm trying to say? That I will remain a king wherever I'll go. You know, it's not about the power is not in the chair. You know, उस कुर्सी पर बैठ के power नहीं आती है. Power is in the heart. जिगर में power होती है. You know, determination अंदर से जिसे कहते हैं ना, the jigar, it's in your heart that you are a leader. So it is proved that he is a leader. Yes, Divyanshu, that was good maths. Antonio plus Alonso. Even they don't equal Prospero. Prospero is more than, I think Sneha went right. Yes, they are less than. I prefer that equation. Antonio plus Alonso are less than Prospero. True. I love that. So that's how it is. And he says, in these fits, I leave them. I will leave them mad. They have gone mad. I've taken away their logic. I've taken away their reasoning power. अब ये mad मैंने को कर दिया. This is the punishment given to him. That अब मैंने इनसे क्या ले लिया? Punishment तो नहीं है ये. This is just like a kind of small hardship that he is giving to them. You can note down here, the hardship that he has given to them is taking away their reasoning powers and turning them mad. He says, I will leave them in this fit of madness. So will I leave you, but in good spirits. I will leave you for this evening so that we can all attend our different classes in good spirits. Thank you so much for being with me in this evening session. Goodbye. We'll meet on Monday. Thank you, class.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.